My name is José Antonio Aranda. I work for Cellnex Telecom as Global Innovation Director. This alliance means, for me, partnership. Partnership means that we will have the chance to work with our customers, mobile operators like Telefónica, like Win3, like Bouygues Telecom, like KPN, together to identify new solutions in the market that are innovative. Cellnex Telecom, we can provide the accessibility to have 13 different countries with us. Second aspect is that we can leverage our capability in tower. So we can facilitate either our towers, but also we have installations in different hotspots, like stadiums, hospitals, like airports. That could be another one. And the last one is also we are able to provide different innovative capabilities. We have different labs and we are working in different product lines that will put at the effort of the association. So one thing that we would like to explore is how we can provide additional value, not only in the tower, but in adjacent assets. And that means that we were willing to explore things like edge computing capabilities and data centers, and also the possibility to grow in the value chain. So see if we can move from being a very passive infrastructure provider to provide more active equipment, either concepts like Open RAN or even towers at the sky. Those will be the key aspects that, together with the 5G use cases, we would love to explore with our partners.
Alaian, disruptive telcos for disruptive startups.